Hello, guys. My name is Satyendra Punia, and I'm your anchor. I'm your mentor, and one of the most important thing that's your problem advisor. Because right now I am really thinking that no content creator are making content like this, who are just making your English speaking skill so fast and also solve your problem. I know you are 15 and 20 in student, okay, and you have a bunch of knowledge, but remember one thing, that few think only that people know who are not belong to laptop and phone era, okay, who are belong from black and white TV, okay. Many more things only that person can know who are belong from black and white TV, because I'm telling you technology is high than after 2008, okay. After 2008 and 2009 technology, and yes, it's very good. Now AI is coming, chat GPT is coming, and I'm really looking forward that I really want that India become like China and America. I really want. Look at the Bangalore. I mean, where they gone? I mean, Bangalore is the only city tech hub where what I'm really can say that that city can like China and America. I mean, yes, Mumbai also, Gurgaon also, Delhi is also, Jaipur is still developing. Okay, I know Jaipur is not developed, but Pune, yes, this north area is really developing, and yes, Rajasthan in north, and these are or the south area. Yes, I can really understand the, but I'm really hoping. Look, guys, you are wherever from. I'm telling you, in Rajasthan, I have seen many palaces where is still like 1857. You know, where Mangal Pandey, Tatya Tope, that time, if you really want to see, come to Rajasthan. I'll show you that kind of palace where people still, and you look, people also look like this. If technology is not come, I mean, people have no phone and no colorful TV, laptop, PC. I really can't describe it. I mean, then it's feel really sad. It's feel really sad. And look, also this is a very good thing. I mean, it's a very fortune thing that in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, all this city, you will find every two shops of Rajasthani. I mean, look at this miracle. I mean, look, Bania and Marwadi. Look, understand what I'm trying to say. The people who are Bania and Marwadi are very good in business. They are, I mean, Bania, Marwadi, and third one is Gujarati. They are in a extraordinary in business. I mean, they are born to business in their blood. Okay, that's why you, wherever you go, wherever you go, I mean, in a big city, tier one city, tier two city, you're gonna always find there is a, oh, this is the Rajasthani, this is the Rajasthani. Every two shops you will see this is the Rajasthani, this is the Marwadi, this is from there, this is from there. So yes, it's also, I can look, guys. I learn all these things for my own experience, because the family I belong, it's very sad, very sad. No government job. My, I don't know who's my relative and in a army or something like that, who are in a business. You know what? All these I the relative look, I don't talk my relatives. I don't even their face. I don't even their address. Okay? I don't even their address. Where they are living. Are they dead or living? Okay? But I was very disturbed in a childhood. I was very disturbed in childhood because I have always seen them. You know what? These disgusting reality that we have a thing like this. You know what? That I really don't want to discuss this because you can easily see that my face is like just I saw some kind of potty. Okay, this is the shit feeling when now I don't know them. So yes, first of all, I'm telling you a very secret and very good thing that technology is very good. So adopt the technology. Okay, if you are in 8th class, 10th class, take us some PC, second hand PC. Don't worry, you will get a PC in a 10,000, 12,000 easily. In 10,000, 12,000, you get easily will have a any kind of PC. So take a PC and just and look, if you are not able to understand the human psychology, human emotion, you know what? I love Indian music. I mean, I really can say that Indian movies and Indian music made me. You can't believe the first movie I have seen in my life in black and white TV. You know what? What is this? I remember first movie in black and white TV. You know what? Imtihan. Sunny Deol, Saif Ali Khan. Imtihan. Black and white TV. The first movie I have seen in my life. So, yes, now I can easily see that all 30 years was just an imtihan. And yes, I have done well. Now I'm really seeing that I just step out this matrix. I can easily see that I'm just step out this matrix. What is this world? This world is a matrix, Mayajal. Now I'm really seeing that I'm just step out of it. And soon I will fulfill all my dream. You know what? I have a very, very fortunate family. I mean, I have a very, very fortunate family. Soon we will together. I mean, now I'm really seeing that my future is like heaven. Look, there is no heaven or hell. Just step out of your mind. There is no heaven, no hell. This is heaven, this is a hell. Okay? You are made, you are choose your destiny, you make your life, you do everything. Okay? So yes, tell me in comment section so what I can make more content for you, and if you give your opinion that it will boost me, it will keep me, motivate me. Thank you very much. And again I'm telling you, just give a reality check all your toxic relatives. Just, I mean, you know what? There is a कहावत, दूध में से मक्खी निकालना. Just blur them, all blur them. You know what? Rubber will blur all the page, and then you can write your own story. So make like a rubber, smelly rubber. Thank you very much.